Building a website for your food company, a step-by-step guide. A website can be a game changer if you're running a food company. Not only can it help you reach more customers, but it can also help you sell more of your products. But the process can seem daunting if you're new to website building. In this step-by-step guide, we'll take you through everything you need to know to build a website for your food company. Step 1. Choose a domain name. The first step in building a website is choosing the domain name. Your domain name is the address people will use to find your website. It should be short, memorable, and easy to spell. Ideally, it should also reflect your food company's brand identity. You can purchase a domain name from a variety of online providers. Some of the most popular options include GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Bluehost. Once you've chosen a domain name, you'll need to register it with a domain name registrar. This process usually costs between $10 and $20 per year. Step 2. Choose a hosting provider. After you've chosen a domain name, you'll need to choose a hosting provider. A web host is a company that stores your website files and makes them available to visitors. There are many hosting providers to choose from, ranging from budget options to high-end providers. You should also consider the provider's pricing and any additional features they offer, such as security and backups. Step 3. Plan your web design. You must plan your web design once you've chosen a domain name and hosting provider. Your web design is the visual representation of your website, and it's what visitors will see when they land on your site. A good web design should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and reflect your food company's brand identity. You can hire a professional web designer or use a website builder to create your site. Website builders such as Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress are popular for beginners because they offer easy-to-use templates and drag-and-drop interfaces. Personally, I prefer WordPress because it helps with building strong SEO and is easy to use. Step 4. Create your food website. Once you've planned your web design, it's time to start creating your website. Depending on your chosen platform, this may involve dragging and dropping pre-designed elements onto your site or writing code from scratch. When creating your website, include all the necessary elements, such as your company logo, product images and descriptions, and contact information. You should also optimize your website for search engines by including relevant keywords in your content and metadata. When unsure how to create your website, consider getting an affordable website development and maintenance quote from our team. Eliminate the trouble of learning how to manage your website or what to write for your website. Plus, get the website up and ready as early as 2 weeks. Step 5. Test and launch your food website. Before launching your food website, it's important to test it thoroughly to ensure everything works correctly. This may involve checking for broken links, testing your contact forms, and ensuring your website loads quickly. Once you've tested your website, you can launch it. This involves making it publicly available by publishing it to your hosting provider's server. After your website is live, promote them through social media and other marketing channels to drive traffic and attract potential customers. Step 6. Maintain and update your website. Building a website for your food company is just the first step. To ensure that your website continues to attract and retain customers, you'll need to maintain and update it regularly. This may involve adding new products, updating product descriptions and images, or improving your website's functionality and user experience. It's also important to keep your website secure by regularly updating your software and implementing security measures such as SSL certificates. Additionally, regularly checking your website analytics can help you identify areas for improvement and measure the success of your marketing efforts. In conclusion, building a website for your food company can be a valuable investment to help you reach new customers and sell more of your products. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a website that reflects your brand identity, offers a seamless user experience, and drives business growth. Get the food website you always wanted at an affordable price. When unsure how to create your website, consider getting an affordable website development and maintenance quote from our team. Eliminate the trouble of learning how to manage your website or what to write for your website. Plus, get the website up and ready as early as 2 weeks.